Welcome to the new community of Edgewood in Santan Valley, Arizona by KHovnanian Homes. If you're searching for a new home in a vibrant and convenient location, look no further than the community of Edgewood by KHovnanian Homes, a beautiful community of 173 single-family homes in Santan Valley, Arizona. Edgewood offers a variety of styles to suit your taste. You can choose from 4 different designer curated interior looks. There's the loft look, the farmhouse look, the classic look, and the elements look. Each look provides on-trend finishes that will give your new house the true home feel that you're looking for. Now, Edgewood's location puts you close to everything you need. You can enjoy outdoor activities at Santan Regional Mountain Park. You can catch a movie and some shopping at Queen Creek Marketplace, or you can experience the thrill of watching roping and barrel racing at Horseshoe Park Equestrian Center while having some barbecue at the brand new Caldwell's right next door. When it's time for family fun, you can then head over to Fat Cats or Main Event Bowling for bowling and arcade games, or explore one of the many nearby parks, including the new Frontier Park, Mansell Carter Park, or even Gilbert Regional Park. Edgewood boasts convenient access to major highways, including the new Highway 24, Loop 202, and State Highway 60, making it easy to get around the Phoenix metro area. This is Santan Valley, and even though it's on the eastern edge of town, you're at the northernmost point of town, and you're just a few minutes from Apache Junction and Mesa, as well as Queen Creek and Gilbert. Now, let's explore the homes themselves. Edgewood features 7 unique floor plans ranging from 1,970 to 2,838 square feet. You have the Villas Collection, which offers homes on approximately 6,500 square foot lots. First, you have the Tacoma plan. This is a charming 1-story home that has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a big kitchen, and a large island with a 3-car garage. Then there's the Santa Rosa 2 plan, which is a perfect plan for small families. This is a 1-story home that features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an open kitchen, and a breakfast bar island, as well as a bright home office and a luxurious primary suite. Next is the Pasadena plan, which is an impressive 1-story design that offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a spacious great room with lots of windows, a well-equipped kitchen with a large island, and a luxurious primary suite. If you want to see a walkthrough on that floor plan, make sure to click the link above. And finally, you have the Warren plan. This plan is a versatile 1-story home that provides 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a media room, a spacious kitchen with a big island, and a shady covered patio. I also did a video on that, and you'll be able to click the link above to see that one. Next, in the Estates collection, you have homes on larger lots that are about 7,500 square feet. And first up in that series is the Belfast plan. This is a 1-story plan that has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a convenient extra suite, perfect for multi-generational living. It has a stunning kitchen with a spacious island and also a large covered patio. Then there's the Geneva plan, which is a beautiful 1-story home that offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a home office, a media room, a stylish kitchen overlooking the great room, and a designated activity room. Then lastly, there's the Frankfurt plan. This is Edgewood's largest floor plan, and it's a 1-story home with 4 bedrooms, an office, 2.5 bathrooms, an activity room, a big kitchen with a large island, and a nice shady covered patio. I also did a new home tour on this floor plan, so make sure you click above on that link to see that plan. Now, Edgewood Community goes beyond beautiful homes. You can enjoy the community's large park, perfect for relaxing with a book or playing with your kids. You can let the little ones loose at the tot lot and gather with friends and family for barbecues under the Ramada. Note that the HOA fee for this community is $120 a month as of today, and that covers all these amenities. And now that you've seen what Edgewood has to offer, it's time to set up a visit and see which one of these 7 floor plans is the dream home that you've been searching for. Now, remember, when you come out to visit these homes, make sure to bring your own real estate agent with you on that first trip. You want to keep in mind that the sales agents on site represent the builder's best interests, And having your own advocate can ensure that you get the best deal and you have the most protection and you have a professional representing you in the contract. Reach out to me to schedule that showing by commenting down below, or you can give me a call at 480-588-2281. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.